Hello, friends. In this lecture, we are going to see why to learn AI/ML technology. So, after this lecture, we are going to start a playlist for this whole AI/ML thing, and we're going to learn about it afterwards. Then, in this lecture, we are going to see what's the difference and how AI and ML technologies are emerging in this 2026. Now, let's start the video. Let's see. First, to know this technology, we have to know about AI ML. What are this AI ML and DL things? Whatever we heard about in the market and told by the people that these are the emerging technologies and the future of the world. So let's see. First, what's AI? Basically, AI means, let's say this is a computer. Sorry, this is not a computer kind of. Wait. Now let's say this is our computer. If we want to train it, there are traditional ways like to perform work, we can write the rules for it, and that is our traditional way. But now in this era, we have a new thing called AI. By that, we can enable this computer to learn the human languages or do the human cognitive works. Like what? Like learning what we learn and like reading, like task like how we can understand the text. So that's all come under AI. That's all the application of AI. That's how it performed. And what's ML actually? This is all for AI. What's ML actually? Let's wait one minute. ML is like a subset of AI. Means it's come under AI where we actually take a data set, any kind of data set like your business, whatever model you want to create or whatever kind of thing you want to do, that kind of data, you took this data and you put into a ML model. So basically ML models are predefined algorithms which takes insights from data and provide it to the outputs. We provide this data to this algorithm, and then this algorithm is going to recognize the pattern things and whatever you want to predict, and after that it will provide an output which can be in the form of prediction and probability, or it can be separation also data. And then we got our output from here, and this output can be said to be an conclusion for this algorithm. So like this is how ML works. And this is how we actually train our AI models by using ML. And let's say there is a term also called DL. What's DL actually? Wait. So a specific field where kind of specific thing where we actually train a model in a deep way or in a specific way. Like there are some algorithms like RNN, and CNN, and one last uh, like this we have algorithms too. And then one thing, how this specific, means this term used to refer where we perform the things on specific field. So how these are connected actually? Well, let's say we have a circle of, wait 1 minute. Now, let's say we have a circle of, which we can say as AI. This is what the AI domain is. Now, in this circle, we actually having a ML, which is a subset of AI. And in depth, like in ML also, we have term called DL. So what's DL actually? DL is like subset of ML and ML is like subset of AI, in which to perform the AI task, we actually train our model by using ML. And to perform a specific task or a specific field to do so, we actually uses the DL, when deep learning, where we create a more accurate and high-end outputs to the specific fields. So that's is how the AI, ML, and DL works. And there's a term also called data science, which some people confused. What is data science like in here in terms of AI? So actually, the data science is a broader than AI. It's like actually AI comes under data science. Data science is like more about statistics and performing on the data, mathematical terms and statistical terms on data. So that's is a broader task, and in that we have called AI, ML, and DL. So it is a difference between all like AI. We have seen ML and DL difference and how they are related. So that's it for today's video. To follow up more, please join us, Code with Rajesh. Thank you, and we will meet in next lecture.